Hello, Abby. Hello, Mita. And Dara.
Say hi.
And hello.
Alina, say hi to the...
And Alina.
Hello. Hello.
Hello ba yun? Hello. Again. Ano nga saan gala natin sa?
Niagara po.
Niagara Falls. We're going to Niagara Falls. Ilang hour yung drive doon, Abby?
Ayun dito, 1 hour and 26 daw.
Ah, eto. Okay. It is 1 hour. Travel time 1 hour and 25 minutes. Yes. Try daw namin mag-fishing. Wish our luck. Fishing. We're gonna catch some salmon. Are you ready, Adara, to catch some salmon?
Louder, Dara.
We're gonna catch some salmon. Yes. And we're gonna cook it. Are we gonna cook it?
Alina, are we going to cook the fish?
Do you wanna cook the fish?
You want to cook the fish?
Louder, louder now. Fish!
Yes. Oh, yes daw.
Kahapon sabi ayaw.
We better catch some fish. US border, oh. Wow, we reached the US border. Say hi to US.
Nagtiti ka ng video.
Nasa US border po kami. Ayan, oh. Oh, last flag ng Canadian flag to. Ayan, maglalagay lang dito. Wow, yes. We're here. Ang galing, oh. Nasa gilid lang natin yung New York. Kapak tayo, ayun, may daanan na. Pwede tayo maglakad ba? Ayun, oh, yung bridge ng New York. Oh, wow!
Yan na yan.
Yung famous bridge ng ano.
Ayan ba yun?
Oh.
Hindi kami dito.
So we're here. Floral clock. Ito na yung border ng ano, saan ba yung bridge? Ayan, oh. Border ng US sa New York. Buffalo, New York. Yun yung ano, bridge niya. Ang ganda. Wow. Okay. Whoa.
About 4 feet.
Okay.
What's your wish?
What's your wish daw? Say it.
I wish about 4 feet of fish.
Ah,
You can catch a fish.
you wanna catch the fish?
Yeah.
Okay,
No,
then
you
throw
can
your
throw.
coins. Throw it now. Ready? Go.
Over there.
Yes,
Yeah,
go.
you throw it.
Yeah, over there.
I don't know.
Yes,
Here you go. Just throw it.
Throw in the water, go.
1, 2, 3. Oh!
Kami meron, kaya lang iiwan niyo yung phone niya. Ay, ganun ba? Good afternoon, Abigail. Oh. Oh, yan lang yan.
This moment is 3 days, all intense.
Umuulan kasi.
Lunch.
Kung hindi umuulan sana, mahirap paggala eh.
Niritilan nila yung coffee.
Hindi, konti na rin eh. Hindi na mainit.
Yan, what is it?
Ganda pa, umuulan-ulan pa eh. Victoria Falls. Ang tayo daanan yan?
Matabi tayo.
Sa may kabila. Good way. Okay. Speedway. Saan yung ano, baba niya? Punta. Wow. Galing, umuulan-ulan pa oh. Oh, meron sila dito ng ano, Canada Eye, kung may London Eye, Carnival, Speedway. Sorry.
Pagka dito, maganda. Diba naging street show dito?
Ay, nagbabasking?
Nakita mo yung mga nakaganon?
Ay,
Kala mo hindi gumagalaw. Pag ginampo na mo ng coins, gagalaw.
Ay, mga tao yan?
Yan na hindi.
Ah, hindi, ano yan, statue.
Statue yan.
Statue yan talaga.
Ay, ito yung ano, volcano. Bumubuga yan parang every 5 minutes.
Ah,
Ewan ko lang ngayon.
a wooden. Yeah. Jack Sparrow. Whoa. Good power tool.
Cast your spells with Harry Potter, Annabelle, and Frodo.
There is always magic in fiction. So come, take a selfie with your favorite song today.
Sino tayo? First experience of Niagara Falls.
Come here, fast, fast.
Niagara Falls. Saan siya? Kita na dito? Masyadong ano? Yung mess na ano? Is it visible? Well, hindi siya makita, no? Ah, yung screen niya, no? Hindi siya kita, masyadong mapag. Ano yung Rainbow Bridge? Hindi rin siya makita pa. The cruises. You know? We're here at Niagara. Kanina ano naman eh, nakita namin yung ano nung hindi pa masyadong mafoggy. Ngayon masyado ng ano. Nung pagdating namin kaninang tanghali, may ano pa, nakikita pa namin yung falls. Here we can see the Niagara Falls.
Ay, Marcipo! Batisyo! Oo, may spoon yata yun.
Alina, are you ready? You see? You see the falls and the Rainbow Bridge? Oh, beautiful. Oo. Ano, picture mo mo. Ganda.
Can we have the fish over there?
Yan, swimming ka sa isla na yan. Di na nag-gas pa. Ilamig.
Ay, may tao sa loob. Sa ano baba? Paano paano bumaba yung mga yan?
Diyan, may daanan doon ate sa may ano.
Masana sa
May daanan doon. Ayun na. Right!
Alagyan mo.
Wala pa man. Wait lang.
Buha yung falls?
Oo, na syempre. True or false? Niagara Falls, we're here. And the Rainbow Bridge.
Kami na nga dyan. Para post mo kami.
Go. police station. Administration. Yes. Say Dara. Say hi. Hi. Say hello. Hello. So that's it for today. This is our second day at Niagara. So far naman this morning nagpakita yung Niagara Falls at nagkaroon kami ng chance na mag-picture. So na-enjoy namin. Pero the first day wala masyadong mafagay. So thank you ulit for joining us and see you on our next vlog. Thank you.